Car companies are limiting options on dealer lots in order to keep prices up and profits flowing, while recovering from COVID-related plant shutdowns and a chip shortage. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis have seen an increase in cars heading to dealer lots. However, they want to keep options slim for shoppers and are intentionally limiting inventory buildup to prioritize profits. This includes proactively managing inventory levels, with planned downtime and canceling many base trims. The COVID-19 experience showed automakers and dealers the benefits of higher margins and reduced sales, leading to a realization that having fewer, well-moneyed buyers has advantages in the near term, while intentionally shutting down factories for short periods of time could limit how many vehicles are sitting and send the message that buyers' options are limited. It could also save automakers money and increase margins. Carmakers ultimately want to prioritize profits, which means that buying is never going back to normal. The average transaction price for new cars has remained relatively high, hitting $48,008 in March, according to Kelley Blue Book. Shoppers should not necessarily see low inventory as a signal of high demand for a vehicle they would have to pay big dollars to compete on. It is possible that certain segments, like compact and midsize SUVs, are always going to be popular regardless of the pandemic and come with higher price tags, while others, like sedans, may be produced less as they are losing popularity and may have deals available